So this is the application which you can use to send the bulk WhatsApp. Like if you have certain database with you and you want to promote your product on WhatsApp as a marketing tool, you
Okay.
can use this software, right? Starts with this.
Okay.
We have to first scan with a WhatsApp number from which we want to
Oh,
send WhatsApp to our customers or a new unknown people like my clients, probable clients. So just like a web WhatsApp, I will scan with my number.
huh.
I will connect this with a QR code scan. Let's start connecting.
Oh, just like WhatsApp that we access through
Web,
laptop, na the
yes,
same
exactly.
thing.
But this browser is an inbuilt browser of this software. And when you
Okay.
are connecting to this, it should not be active on any other browsers. Like if I already logged in somewhere, we have to log it off from the other device.
Like Gmail and all,
No, no, not for the
everything.
Gmail, not the Gmail.
Then
Only the web WhatsApp section. Like I will show you. This is the screen. Like
okay.
you access through this web WhatsApp, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
So if this number is connected here, then it will create an issue. So I need to just log out my device from my web WhatsApp only.
Huh.
Other activity can be active, no issues.
Okay.
You can work like if sending is on, also at that time you are be able to work on your other screens. Like you can use other applications as well. As you are seeing the
Okay.
bottom of my screen, the other browsers are open like this. My mail is
Okay.
on and other things are on, right?
Okay.
So once this get connected, so this red will convert into green. Means my phone is now connected to this application. This is the first thing which we need to do.
Okay.
Now the second part is uh, like how it is connected. So you are seeing that it is showing green, right?
Hmm.
So I will minimize this screen. Now this is my application. Suppose we have some database of 10,000, 20,000, or 5,000, whatever data we have of mobile numbers. We will be
Okay.
having different files in my system, right? So we'll
Okay.
club all these database together and make one database first. And the most important part is because not every number is on WhatsApp.
Hmm.
So first we need to verify whether these numbers are on WhatsApp or not. So for that we need to go to this section. Here it's number filter.
Huh.
Here we'll go and choose the file. If the
Huh.
Excel with us, so we have to choose the CSV file of this. We have to create a CSV file.
Okay. CSP file. Huh.
Yeah.
Initially in Excel, we need to store the phone numbers, right?
Exactly, exactly. Like we have to maintain some database in Excel form.
Okay.
So suppose we take this test file with us. We,
Hmm.
so you are seeing the column 0, column 1, column 2, 3, 4, 5 like this,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
right? And here it is showing name, mobile number, company name. If I want to send some reminder for payment, so we have created like this also, like invoice, amount, due date, that way,
Okay.
correct? And
Okay.
we will take first header, first row as a header. What
Okay.
will happen that C0, C1, C2 will remove. And it
Huh.
will be replaced by my name, mobile number, and all this.
Names. Okay. Keywords. Okay.
Correct. And now, because many different database you have collected from different Excel at one place, so what happened? There may be
Huh.
some duplication of number as well.
Yes.
So when you upload here, you can just select this. So all the duplication of the numbers will remove.
Yes.
Correct. Now we
Huh.
import it. So now these now name and numbers are here. Suppose I want
Okay.
to add your number also. So your I will add your
Manually we can add it.
pardon.
Manually we can add it.
Yes, manually also you can add it with comma.
Okay.
What's your number is
6366257979.
just saying 63,
66
yeah,
25
25
7979.
7979. right?
Oh, we used to put comma to separate two.
Yeah,
This
basically
thing, right?
in a CSV format, data is separated by comma. That's why we
Okay.
we put comma where we put the comma, then from there it will be separated to the next field.
Separated. Okay.
Right?
So each data will be separated there by
Exactly.
making use of comma.
Perfect. So now you see your number is here, name is here, and number is here.
Okay.
Correct? Now we need to
Okay.
check whether these numbers are on WhatsApp or not. So we'll do start checking.
I'm checking. Okay. While we are using this app, the internet should be on, right?
Definitely. Because without internet, your web WhatsApp also not working.
Yeah, that's what.
So here you see first
Huh.
four numbers are our regular WhatsApp numbers. Correct?
Okay.
Next two are a business WhatsApp number. And your number is
Okay.
also a
Business WhatsApp number will be highlighted by making use of color. It's
yeah,
going to
it's
separate the colors, right? Business
correct.
and regular.
Correct. Fine.
Okay.
And if any number which is not on WhatsApp, that also
Huh.
will be shown you, like I will enter one another number. Just if you have any number with you which is not on WhatsApp,
Yeah, so you take it's actually it is not 6366207979.
just a minute, I will enter it.
Instead of 25, you make it 20.
Okay.
6366
Just 916366
20
20797.
7979.
Now you see, if I will import this, it will also added here. And the difference is, you see, like Soumya, I will make some space and then add A, like first name or last name that way.
Otherwise, it will get duplicated.
Yeah. And second thing is, not duplication is not an issue because two-person can have the same name, but numbers is the basically unique. But the
Different.
only thing is
Okay.
to show you the difference, like when we insert these names,
Hmm.
from why we put comma post A, so that it will be separated post A basically. That's why we write
Okay.
like
Okay.
this. Now we'll again check. So how it will give. All others are already requested. Only we need to check whether last you see here. This number is not on
Yeah. Okay.
WhatsApp, correct? So
Okay.
when you have a
Okay.
database of suppose 5,000 numbers, you will upload here and you run this
Mhm.
for the filtrations. Now you come to know that this number is not in WhatsApp. But when you are uploading in a bulk, then maybe out of these
Huh.
5,000 numbers are not on WhatsApp.
Yes.
So these 1,000 number is of no use for this particular software to use as a bulk WhatsApp because those numbers are not active on WhatsApp.
Okay.
So what will we do? We can export that data separately. You see here, WhatsApp
Hmm.
only, business WhatsApp only,
This
regular
WhatsApp
WhatsApp
only,
only,
regular WhatsApp.
and
Okay.
non-WhatsApp. So if I want to just remove
Okay.
non-WhatsApp, I will download the non-WhatsApp numbers and with the help of
Hmm.
VLOOKUP, we can remove WhatsApp and non-WhatsApp numbers separately. Same thing if we feel that we
Okay.
have to use only business WhatsApp numbers as a separate file, we can also download
Huh.
that business WhatsApp numbers as well, right? So it will help
Okay.
you to understand the profile of an individual because many a time we purchase the database in the market, not all
Huh.
databases of your corporates. And if your customer type is of corporates, then it will create issue for you.
Mm-hmm.
So segregation will help us, correct?
Okay.
So this
Okay.
is one activity which is helping us to verify whether these numbers are on WhatsApp or not. This activity
Okay.
we have to do only once for the
Huh.
lifetime, like for all the database, not necessarily every time we need to run this.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay.
This is first step. Once my database is ready, which are all WhatsApp numbers, what will I do is, there is this section. So I will import the database for
Huh.
sending WhatsApp. Again, the same place. If we have the same file, what we'll do, we'll again upload the data. Correct?
Hmm. Okay.
Header, remove duplications, import. if I does not want to send some message to any particular number, we can also manually delete as well.
Okay.
Right? Now,
Okay.
if you want to add a number like yours number, I will again add.
Again, we have to enter manually. Okay.
Correct. So we have added your name number again, correct? So that you will also get the numbers with you, like what is there.
Fine.
So now your number is also added, my number is added. So that way you
Okay.
can add different numbers, like in a bunch of 200, 100 or 50, whatever database.
Mm-hmm.
Now the
Okay.
second section is how to send the message. Because you know, many a time you feel like when you forward a message, WhatsApp does not allow you to forward a message more than 5 people at one time.
Yeah, more than 30, it will not allow us to send it.
But at a first click, forwarded message cannot be forwarded more than
We sent more than 5
5.
times.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here we have to do something unique for that. So what we suggested, we have created one notepad ready with us. Whatever type of messages we want, we have already drafted these things ready to send. So that every time we need not to type. Yes, copy and paste
it.
Correct.
Okay.
Second thing is, if you copy some message from WhatsApp and paste here, then the machine line will come into it. So before sending there, we need to copy from the WhatsApp and paste it in Notepad and remove those machine language. I will show you that as well later on. Just a second. I will copy this message. I will go to this section and I will paste it here, right? Now you are seeing one thing different. Here you are seeing hello, greetings, respected
Hello,
dear.
greetings, respected audience.
There are 4 different words we are using. What is the reason of that? Is that every person should get a different notification. Like someone will get a message with hello, someone will get a greetings, someone will get respected or dear or hi, whatever you want to use. How it is created? You see here, it is an insert variable option. I will go to the spin tech option.
Okay.
Here, if you see, I will write hi, hello, dear, good afternoon. You see 4 letters I use. And
Okay. Hi, hello, dear, good afternoon.
Correct. So this syntax is created.
So that will be generated automatically.
Correct. So here it is generated. I can copy this also or add directly to the message as well. Suppose I copy this. I will close this. I will go here and I remove this. So just for your understanding and paste it here. Correct.
Paste it. Here we can use the keyboard itself directly, right? Alt F shortcuts.
Correct. Fine. Second thing is you are seeing one another syntax is full name. What is the use of this is like suppose I will write one message to you and I don't know what's your name, what is your gender. In that case, what will happen? I may write a message, dear sir also. Not always I will use dear ma'am to you because I'm not aware of that this number belongs to a male or a female.
Female, yeah.
But if in my database I know the person name and I will write a message to you, dear Miss Soumya or dear ma'am, what will be a better response? Like if it is with your name, you will be having a feeling like the person must have saved my number or he must be known to me. That's why he is writing with my name.
Okay.
Because everybody knows that without saving the number in your mobile phone, you cannot send WhatsApp to anyone. Correct? So if I use your name, you will automatically feel that this is the person who know me. Maybe I am not saved your number. That's why it's not reflecting in my phone. Fine. So what we do is I will use this again. I will change from where we have taken this. Again, you go to the insert variable option. There are 3 options: insert full name, insert first name,
insert first name, last name.
Right. Suppose I have added your name with a Soumya space A, for example. In that case, if
Hmm.
I take it insert first name, it will take only Soumya. If I take full name, that it will take Soumya A.
Soumya, yes.
And,
Uh-huh.
and if in last name only S it
Last
will be
name.
taken, right? So here I am taking full name.
Okay.
So what will be the advantage of this is from all my database, it will take one by one the name against the respective number.
Okay.
So if I'm sending 200 messages to someone, so all the 200 people
Okay.
will get the personalized message.
Okay.
Fine. Second thing is, which is very important, because if you see the body of this message, most of the words are the same. Like a
Yeah.
unique message will not be the unique. But what I will do is, the line is here, WhatsApp software for your business marketing. Okay.
Business marketing.
What I will do is I will copy this, even cut this here. I will use again one another spin tag. I will write this, or I will write this as well. Like business or for
Hmm.
your business marketing, whatever. And if I add to message, what will happen? WhatsApp software for your business is one set statement. Another will be WhatsApp
Okay.
software for your
Business
business
marketing.
marketing. So now two different
Okay.
message will be created.
Uh-huh.
Similarly, in other places, we can use this spin tag at the signature also. Like I will show you for more details. And again, I will use spin tag. Call us, contact us, ping me, reach to us, right?
Hmm.
So what will happen? It will add it here, and post this, I will write my number. Correct. So what will happen? Someone will get reach to us. Someone will get.
Well.
So it will give the uniqueness of the message.
Hmm.
Similarly, if I show you some other examples of my sheet, you see here. You are seeing here. Is it visible?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So here you give your business an online presence, and again I'm using online office, right?
Office. Okay.
In this pandemic time, or the other sentences during the pandemic time, both has the same sense.
Okay. This is like wherever we want to use Spintex, like we want to use different to this thing,
Yes,
what groups, so that at that time we can use the make use of Spintex,
correct,
right?
correct. And it
Okay.
is very
Okay.
important to use more maximum time the spin tech, because as many time you use the spin tech, it will
Huh.
give the unique message. So barring of your number through WhatsApp is minimized.
Okay. Okay.
So here you see unlimited photos or unlimited image, unlimited blogs,
Okay.
unlimited updates. So that's why I'm
Okay.
using just for sampling, like cloud number or virtual number. Update,
Okay.
modify or add service in no time. So someone will get update services in no time, modify services in time, modify products in no time. That way it is, right? So
Mm-hmm.
different type of messages we have created. You see,
Mm.
it will help me to create the uniqueness of the message.
Okay.
Now this message is ready to send, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now I also want to send some image.
Some photos. Okay.
So we can add photos from here. Suppose if we take any photograph, suppose I use this image. So image is here. In some scenario, you also get the images with text mentioned below, which is known as a caption.
Okay.
You can also do this here as well. Like you will write here. Just I will giving you demo. That's why I'm writing it this way. Know more about this, right? So this
Hmm.
sentence will go along with the image. In the bottom, there is a caption. If I want to make this bold, what I will do is I will just do this. So you see both the ends stars come. Wherever the star comes, it will be reflect as a bold.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. Now
Okay.
also I want to say some brochure to the customer, PDF, I mean like that.
Hmm.
You can also add some PDF as well, right? Suppose I will share you my company profile. So the PDF is here.
Mm-hmm.
Now, most important part left is the setting, like how to send these messages so that it feel like it is sending manually. So what we do is go to the setting, connection speed. There are various speeds are available, but we generally select very slow because many a time it happens like internet in the at home, maybe a broadband or a mobile internet, sometimes fluctuate.
Oh, okay.
So we always keep the connection speed slow, right?
Oh,
And
okay.
sending setting is very important. Here you see wait between this, like the time between one message to other. We generally keep 15 to 20 seconds gap.
Okay.
Means between one message to other randomly. Some message will go at an interval of 15 seconds, some will go at 16, some 17, some 18, whatever gap you assign.
Mm.
Because I'm giving you a demo, that's why I'm taking 2 to 4 because in a
Two
short
se-
span of time you can able to see, right?
Okay. If
Similarly,
we want to send what limit we can set?
as limit for what? For this wait time or to number
Time.
of messages? Time you can set
Not.
whatever, subject to what content you are sending. Like, why this is required? It is to give you a
Uh,
feel like you are sending the personalized message manually. So if editing one
okay.
message take you 10-15 seconds, if you send
Uh.
manually, so automatically we keep it here as a 10-15 seconds gap.
Actually, sir, now in a group I'm having 220 members. In a group at present, I'm having only 220 members.
Okay.
If I want to send them, I should specify the wait time, right?
If you are sending only to one group,
Huh.
so one group has no time. No? It's a single shot. Like if you are member or join 10 different groups, I will show
Huh.
you that also.
Okay.
Later stage, just continue, conclude this one first, right?
Okay, first.
So here,
Huh.
here it is just the waiting time is just because the gap between one message to other.
Okay.
Because we are showing that it has to be manually sending. That's why we keep generally 15 to 20 seconds gap between one message to other. Second is
Oh.
after, if you are sending forwarding even to someone, after 20 to
Huh.
25 messages, definitely you will stop sending messages manually
Okay.
and you do
Huh.
something else. Maybe you will have a sip of water also, right? It happens
Okay.
like you are not doing those activity on a continuous basis. So
Huh.
here
Huh.
what we
Huh.
do is we plan that my WhatsApp will stop sending after
Hmm.
25 message or 20 messages for 20 seconds, 40 seconds, 25 seconds. So this is here we are matching, keeping it 3 messages for 5 seconds just for demo. Otherwise, I can keep
Oh.
like this way. After 25 message, it will stop for 20 seconds. Got it?
Okay.
This will again
We
give you
have
the
not.
manual touch to the application. Because
Okay, sir.
you cannot send continuously 200 WhatsApp with your mobile device.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So the same feeling we
Hmm.
need to assign to this, but this setting can be set once, it will not change until you change again. So
Okay.
every time you need not to set these limits, right?
It is once a for.
Yes. Whenever you want to change, you can.
Hmm.
But as long as you are not changing, suppose I close it here, I will reopen it, you'll see it's giving me
Huh.
the same setting. Correct?
Okay.
So this is once
Okay.
for we have to set. Now this message is ready to send. I will just click here. You see, send now. There are two options, safe mode and blind mode. Because we are doing marketing
Okay.
activity, we always use the blind mode for because all the numbers are unknown to me. These numbers are not saved in my mobile.
Mm-hmm.
So I will use blind mode and click OK. Now it starts sending. You see, one message has been sent.
Okay.
Then second is sent. Now you see, after 2, it is waiting for 5 seconds, right?
Okay.
Now third is sent, and now your number will come. Fourth is yours. Now this
Okay.
campaign is over. You will see
Again,
there are,
two to. Oh, okay, okay,
I
okay.
will show you the details, right? Now this is closed. I will also close this. Now you see the advantage of this is I know that to whom it is sent, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is your number, but it is not delivered because maybe your internet is not on that mobile.
It is actually I'm using Zoom, na.
Okay. No, but it is
I
on your
don't know.
mobile.
Yeah, it's on my mobile. Actually, I'm using my mobile at right now.
Okay.
Hmm.
So basically, you will be getting this
It should be
message.
connected because it should because I've
Yes,
not yet read. I think that's why.
yes, yes, yes. So this message has been sent. You see, here it is, hi Soumya, right? Here you get
Mm-hmm.
WhatsApp software for your business because someone will get business marketing or your business, right? Similarly, if
Okay.
you go the downwards, you see call us, which we have modified.
Mm-hmm.
Now you see
Okay.
caption part. We have bolded, know more about this, correct?
Yes.
And this is the PDF which has
The
been
PDF
shared with
file.
you.
Huh.
So this is the message you receive. This is one activity. Now we come
Huh.
back to the second part of this. You see, if we talk about the import numbers, so there are various
Hmm.
options available. If you are connected with your mobile, you can import WhatsApp contacts. So all the contacts in your mobile phone will be imported.
Okay.
So you can, if you want to send any wishes also, like there are various festival in the country. So suppose you want to wish
Hmm.
them. So it is very difficult to
Hmm.
wish every member of my contact list. Nobody do that.
Okay.
But with the help
Okay.
of this, what we can do is, if it is a Diwali festival or a New Year or something like that, what I do
Hmm.
basically, I always connect my mobile to this, import all my contacts, create
Huh.
one message and send. And rest of the time I start doing my work.
Okay.
So this is helping me. Second thing is, if you talk about the groups, if you are member or join 10 different groups or 20 different groups, then what is the advantage to you is you can import all the groups in one time. Suppose I will import this from my mobile, what it does.
Huh.
Let me show you here. You see, there are two groups in which my this number is attached.
Uh-huh.
So both the groups has been
So the
added.
complete group will be taken as one number.
Correct. So the
Oh.
advantage is if you want to post one creative 200 groups,
Yeah.
by just clicking one, you need not to post every time to different groups.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So
At a
one
time
post,
itself, we can just send off.
yes. So it's a matter of 5 seconds. Just import this, make
Yeah.
a message here, create the image if you want to send, and send. Nothing else.
Hmm. Okay.
And because you are the member of all these groups, so it is nothing like you are spamming something. Because but only advantage for you is that you are saving your time for posting
Hmm.
in 100 different groups.
Yes.
But getting business from these groups is become easier for you.
Yes. 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 That's true.
Correct. So this is one more advantage of this.
Hmm.
Second thing I will show you again. Here you are seeing on the left side, rule 1, rule 2, rule 3.
Huh.
These are
Cost price
basically,
address.
yeah, these are basically the auto replies. You know, sometimes if you are
Mm-hmm.
sending some message to your unknown database, just like
Hmm.
we have sent the message to your husband, right?
Hmm.
And he has connected us to you so that you speak to her for this demonstration, right?
Hmm.
So what we do is we just send them message, and if he reply on that number, it is visible here also. But if he is asking for like what is the price, what is the cost of this, you where are you
Mm-hmm.
from, so we can
Hmm.
create different replies against that. How to create this? Set auto reply, right?
Mm-hmm.
I will write it, suppose rule 4, message should contain, which means if entire statement, like if somebody write what is the price, so price is one
Okay.
of the keyword which it contains. So here if you know suppose say someone write who nahi likhega, we will write
Manu, Manu.
suppose I write quotation, correct?
Quotation.
Up someone will write a statement, quotation please share the code, that way it is, right? So I will taking this quotation as one word, and in the reply I can type the message also here, like the price for this is 500, right? Or
Okay.
also if I want to share some document along with this, you can add that document also. Suppose I will attach another PDF as a response.
Okay.
I will enable the rule and do it okay. So if someone will reply with
Okay.
quotation, what will happen? I will show this again. Suppose here is one number. If I will reply with the, if you could reply, that will be a better. Is it possible for you to reply with your WhatsApp?
Just wait 1 sec, sir. ಮನು ವಸಂತ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳೋ, ಅವಳು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳು. Not this one. Sir.
Reply.
What should be asked now, sir?
Anything, like I will show you the options.
Shall I say
anything like
send
cost,
amount of
price,
send the price?
Yeah, you can reply to that. So you see, you will automatically getting
Okay,
the revert with the
Okay.
one image, right? So
Okay.
this is
Okay, sir.
helping you to actually more responsive to your clients,
Okay.
because there are normally we see that 90% questions of the customers are same. Only 5 to 10% questions we need to answer in person, right?
So only for sorry to interrupt, only for the person who sends the message saying that price or cost or address or something like this, only for that particular person it will be replied.
Obviously, like if you are sending something to your customer and your customer is interested in your service, definitely he will respond with something.
Okay.
Maybe some people may revert with a hi only, so that you revert
Okay, if
on
the
that.
products are different,
Correct. So products are different, so what? Like he must be replying on that particular campaign. Suppose you don't know for which product he is asking, so you may revert with this, please call for more details, please call for this number.
Okay.
At least you can get the response, and you are connecting the customer to your employee. Okay. Suppose I will write another set of rules. Suppose as per your things, I will write rule 5, and it should contain, someone will say only hi, right, as a response.
Okay.
So that he wants something reply from your end. Yeah, so आप लिख सकते हैं for more details call us at 9033, right?
Yes, sir. Okay.
And I will enable this as a rule and do it okay. Now if you revert with a hi, you just reply with a hi.
One minute.
Right? You see,
Okay.
so at least your customer get some response from your side.
Okay.
The best part of this is at least he's getting some reward.
Okay.
So he feel connected. Otherwise, he will
Yes.
feel that you are not responsive to him.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So auto response is always help
Okay.
to get connected with your client. And whatever interaction, whatever connected transactions happen, that is also visible here. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you
Yes. Yes.
assign
Yes.
this to someone to do execution, you can also check the campaigns of that particular day. Suppose here I have given one demo for on this 7th of July. So it is showing this 4 count I have sent. What message has been sent? The complete campaign report is here. You see
Okay.
the file photo. What is the caption mentioned in the photo? What was the document type?
Okay.
From which source? And what message has
Okay.
been sent to? Like for first person, it is good afternoon. For the second person, it was dear. For the third person, it was hi. So you see what exact
The
what has
complete
been
messages will be there.
yes,
Mhm.
everything is there, right?
Okay.
So this is basically used for your report system. If I want to see the last 7 days or last 30 days report, these all reports are available.
Okay.
You see.
It will be auto deleted, sir, if we set any criteria there.
No, it is basically remain in your system only. So it's up to you. If you want to delete, you can delete. But it is
Okay.
not coming to
So it
anywhere in
will
the
be
cloud. It
remained
is not
until
on
and
cloud.
unless we delete it.
Yes, because it is not
Okay.
on
Okay.
cloud. So it is not going to be issue for you as a data privacy. Suppose you have some data which you don't want
Okay.
to share with anyone, because this entire thing is
Okay.
installed on your system. It is not on cloud. So the advantage
Okay.
for you is that nothing is going to lose in terms of the data. The safety of or the privacy of your
Okay.
data remains there.
Okay. Okay.
So these are the things which is used. If any query regarding the
And
same,
can we use the same technique for Instagram or Facebook like that?
no, madam. This is basically only
This
for
is only for the
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Yes, because people are more active in
Okay.
a WhatsApp only. And
Okay.
people are